Hey everybody, welcome to the class. Today is the first day, it's Monday morning, and if you watched my little intro video to this course, I said that every Monday morning I would have one of these weekly expectation videos. It's just an opportunity for me, a couple of minutes to encourage you and let you know what's going on for that week. Well, this is our first week, and hopefully you've had a chance to look through the syllabus and a couple of the emails that I've sent and those sorts of things. But first of all, I want to say welcome. And secondly, is this is a huge class. I haven't had this many students in an online class in quite a few years. There's 35 of you at the point that I'm taping this. Maybe somebody will drop, I don't know, but that's a lot of folks. So have to ask you for a little patience from me. I will make every effort to respond to you as soon as I can. If you send me an email or those kind of things, I really will. But be patient with me. Along with that, uh, you need to start your readings. I realize some of you might not even have the textbooks yet. That's okay because this week there's nothing that's going to happen in our dialogues to each other or no assignments of any kind. So you can catch up if you can't get it till later in the week or even next week or something. So this week there are two discussion questions. The first one got to be the easiest you've ever had. Maybe you've had it in other classes. It's go online, you start a new forum, and you under that and you introduce yourself. Tell us a brief little bit about you and maybe even how you came about ending up here at the King's University. And then the other part of the discussion assignment every week is that you make the one post and then you read some of the other posts and you respond to at least two other students' posts. Now, that's the minimum that's required, but I encourage us to treat this like we would if we were in a face to face classroom and we were just having discussion. Somebody might raise their hand and make a comment, and somebody else might, agree or push back or just say something. And so it's wonderful if we can have a little back and forth. I try very hard to respond to every post. And I generally do a really good job with that as the professor. But just kind of giving you a context in case I'm a little slow in responding to your post. If there's 35 of you and there's two questions each week, that means there's 70 posts. And you all have to write your own post and respond to a couple of others. But if I'm going to be doing what I said I'm going to try to do, that means I'm responding to 70 different posts. And I'm a fast typist and I'll do my best. But again, don't take it personal if I don't respond to every post, but I do glance through and read all of them. So introduce yourself. The second question has to do with the little video that I sent you the link to already. It's in the weekly content for week one on the portal in Brightspace, and it's my Sitz im Leben video. This thing is 7 years old, I think seven, maybe even eight now. When I first did it, when I first started teaching this course online back at the end of 2017, and I did it shortly after that. To my amazement, on my YouTube channel, this little silly video has over 3,000 views. I'm not trying to get views. I'm not an influencer or anything like that. But apparently, a lot of people have found it helpful. So watch that little video and respond to that second question because I'm just asking you to think through that. I think it's a very important uh, principle as we begin to approach the Bible and how we approach the Bible. So that's it for this week are the two questions. I look forward to meeting you guys. Introduce yourself and then jump on and respond to the other one. I'm not being really strict on this, but the university's expectation is that you would make your first post by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and that you would have responded to at least one or more of the other posts by Friday. What we don't want is nobody doing anything until Friday or Saturday or even Sunday, which is the last day of the school week each week. So get in early, just get it kind of done, and then you can take your time to respond to some of the other posts. I look forward to getting to know you guys. We're going to have a great time. God bless you all.